Hey guys, after months of leaks, Xiaomi has officially announced the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 today in Beijing, China, and it features manual slider design that allows the phone to sport a notchless and bezel-less display. Also, it has a freaking 10 gigs of RAM along with a total of 4 cameras. The Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 sports a ceramic wear that is curved on all 4 sides. It comes in 3 color options such as onyx black, jade green and sapphire blue. The Mi Mix 3 is built around a 6.4-inch AMOLED screen, and the company claims a massive 93.4% screen to body ratio and full HD plus resolution. The bezels on the Mi Mix 3 is extremely thinner on all sides, but the bottom chin is still a little bit thicker. There are 2 magnetic components underneath the display that brings manual slider mechanism on the Mi Mix 3. The slider can be customized to launch different functions such as accessing the dual selfie camera, answer phone calls, and launch some other applications. The slider features dual front 24 plus 2 megapixel camera setup. The primary sensor has a pixel size of 1.8 micron and supports combining of 4 pixels into one large pixel for capturing brighter shots in low light conditions. Another dual camera setup sits on the back of the phone, combination of 12 plus 12 megapixel. The primary sensor being Sony IMX363 with f1.8 aperture and pixel size of 1.4 micron. It is coupled with 12 megapixel secondary sensor with f2.4 aperture and pixel size of 1 micron. The dual shooters are equipped with features like optical zoom, 4x OIS, portrait mode and AI, and Xiaomi has confirmed that the Mi Mix 3 has scored 108 and 93 points respectively on the DxOMark photography and videography benchmarks. It has attained a total DxOMark score of 103 points. The Mi Mix 3 brings a new night mode that lets you take a handheld long exposure shot similar to what Huawei introduced earlier this year. Xiaomi even featured side-by-side comparison of the Mi Mix 3 and P20 Pro night mode shot, suggesting that its phone easily outperforms its rival. We also get the obligatory AI scene recognition features. The company CEO also introduced 960 FPS super slow-mo videos with auto background music thanks to the AI engine. Under the hood, you get a Snapdragon 845 processor coupled with 6, 8 and 10 gigs of RAM and 128 and 256 GB of internal storage. There is no card slot for memory expansion though, nor a 3.5mm audio jack. You do get fast wire charging through the USB-C port as well as a decent 10-watt wireless charging. The Mi Mix 3 will also get a 5G version, although that's only coming in Q1 of 2019. Xiaomi did confirm Europe will receive it, but hasn't mentioned any other markets yet. The Mi Mix 3 arrives with MIUI 10 out of the box and will sport a hardware button on the left side for the Xiao AI assistant. It only speaks Chinese, so it's not going to be available outside of China, which raises the question of what the button will do there. Now, as for the price, the 6/128GB version is cost 3,299 Chinese yuan, which roughly converts into $475. The 8/128GB one is 3,599 yuan, $518, while the 8/256GB is 3,999 yuan, $575. All versions will come with a 10-watt wireless charger included in the retail package as well as a protective case. The 10GB RAM variant is called Forbidden City and comes in different hue of blue. It will come with a gold-plated statue of mythical Chinese creature in the box and will cost 4,999 Chinese yuan, which roughly converts into $720. So yeah, that's all on the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3. Let me know what you think about it, and please make sure to subscribe for more upcoming daily tech videos. And yeah, I will catch you guys in the next one. See you soon.